I don't think you get it. Why still works? Peter, what is the number that self-destruct? The Earth figures all for self-destruct and it was automatically. Why it still works? Greetings, animals, creatures. First, the animals that live. Wait, I got animals and workers. Hire will clean it up. Check a list in the tower. Assure it's easy, it is out of the way. The animals, creatures, and all. Yes, because, let's see, I'm thinking, I just get of animals. Attention on the planet! Understandable on Rossi! Understandable on Earth! I can open. Alright, so there's what's economically? Do not panic! They do not deter the Earth! Economy, call the alien call COVID-19! Good luck! Deter the Earth! I wanna live! I can't tell how much time. I gotta find 2 dinosaurs. Whoa! Whoa! Kid. Come on, look at this. Huh? Hello? So, how much do you have? What's like it on so the phone? Got right out there. You, climb up. Climb up. What? It's just me and you? Yes, climb up. Okay, I climb up. There we go. Ow! Cow! You're hurting my face! Sorry. How to get up there? Go into the speeder. Got it? You do not hit the fly yet? I can't fly. What? That's it? How can I home this way? Stop it, just go to the right now. Oh, great. No, wait a minute. I have a better idea. How you go to the half of the first machine? What are you talking about? We got right here. Right? Yes. I will go all down. You're putting the head say, airport, it's just like your friends. Okay, kid. First up with the animals, creatures, and you're very not helpful again. First, you also had the friends that like you, but now it's just a need. This world is first again, but now it's just a world again. We are sort of the bad guys. Did you think, kid? Oh, so this you happen? It got have 2 dinosaurs that happen. Or it got the red wings, or it got the blue body and half a back sometimes, you know? Yes, I did. I just need a force of time. And now, I got to the uh-oh. Oh, what? He's back. Hi. Great, and welcome back. Welcome to the back, to dinosaurs. Ah, no! He's back! Here she is back! I know! How? Shut up, idiot! Just a mother! The Spinosaurus daughter. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you died. I'm not dying. I have my mother. Have done. What you guys happened? You killed my mother. Wait, your mother, you died and killed everybody? Yes, let me show you the shore of the earth. Follow me. So we have this. You're gonna kill dinosaur? Yeah. She said to follow you. Come on, buddy. Oh. Hey, what are you guys doing the way you want?